In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create a Gmail shortcut in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for Gmail. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the Open File location being placed at the right side next to Run as Administrator. Eventually, you would be navigated to the window where it is being placed or saved to. So from here, you need to ensure that the type is shortcut. But however, if you in your case it doesn't, then you need to make a right click here, and you need to proceed with show more options. And please proceed with the option where you can create a shortcut out of this Gmail. Okay, so please proceed with create a shortcut, and eventually a shortcut would be created under the type. Okay, so let me just delete this one since I have already here a shortcut in the first place. Okay, so from here you need to make a right click, and you need to ensure that you have clicked this copy icon. Once you have copied it, close the window, and here at the desktop make a right click and go with paste. Once you have pasted it, you have just successfully created a desktop shortcut for Gmail in Windows 11. So if you would like to pin it to taskbar, you can make a right click as well, and you can navigate to show more options, and under the list of the option, please select for pin to taskbar, and in that way you would be able to pin or add it as well here at the taskbar aside from creating a desktop shortcut for it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.